you should stop doing NADI SHODHAN from today only. It is making your body weak, your organs weaker, and your body is leading to disease. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashant J Yoga. Today you have to do little efforts to hear me because I'm not using any speaker mic and I'm outside, rain is there. So my voice can be difficult for you easily to hear. Just pay attention what I'm saying because today I will just give you the clarity between Anulom Vilom pranayam, NADI SHODHAN pranayam, and why you should not do NADI SHODHAN pranayam. Today video is very important, very informative, very powerful. So share this video to your yoga sadhak and anyone those who are in yoga path. Understand first. What is the difference between Anulom Vilom and NADI SHODHAN? Later I will tell you who should not do NADI SHODHAN, for whom it's very dangerous. Okay? Anulom, understand first. The Sanskrit explanation, Anulom, Anusaran, Anu means to walk forward. Natural flow of breathing called Anulom. For example, right now you are breathing in, same nostril breathing is out. Okay? Anulom Prakriya. So it is happening Anulom. Normally we do Anulom process of breathing, means natural flow. Same nostril inhale, same nostril exhale. For example, if I tell you, close your right nostril, maybe in the camera you may see what is my right is your left, maybe because I'm using front camera, but you can understand what I'm saying. Just imagine that I'm telling you, close the right nostril, okay? Yours is maybe left. Breathe from the one. So natural process, it means if my left is open right now, my breathing is going from the same nose. It's called Anulom process. If the same nostril I'm using to exhale, it means still Anulom. Vilom means a reverse, opposite. For example, if I inhale from the left nostril, and if I'm telling you now don't exhale from the left, you just close the other one and exhale from the right. So you change the path, right? You change the path. So it becomes Vilom. It's the same, just for example, if you are going to some destination by flight, use the air path. You went by flight. You are coming back by flight, Anulom. But if I am telling you, you're going by flight, coming by train, coming by car, so you change the path. You change the energy flow. You use a different path, different experience, different opening, different understanding. This is called Vilom. So Vilom means changing the path. So Anulom Vilom means when you are using one nostril for inhalation, using other nostril for exhalation, it's Anulom Vilom. Then using the other nostril for inhale, using other nostril, the previous one for exhale, Anulom Vilom. And when you continue doing this, becomes Anulom Vilom Vritti. Anulom Vilom Vritti pranayam, which is Anulom Vilom pranayam in common. NADI SHODHAN. Understand? NADI SHODHANA. Shuddhikaran. Purification. Okay? So purification process. NADI is purification. One purification is your body purification, which is Shat Karma in Hatha Yoga. 6 cleaning. In Ayurveda, Pancha Karma. Sharira Shuddhi. Sharira purification. Body purification. NADI purification. Purification required certain element. Okay? For example, every morning you take shower. This is also purification. Shodhan. It is also a shaucha. Shodhan. But there you are using water element, right? Just to clean your upper skin. But what about the internal body? Internal body, it is used, the Shodhan Kriya is used there by Agni element, the fire element. In Hinduism, we have Agni Tattva, Agni for purification. That's the reason when the person dies, we burn them. The body is burned in Agni, the fire. Why? Because this person didn't have spiritual tapas in his life. So we are hoping at the end of his birth, the last time, at least the final ritual. Through final ritual, we can purify his soul by putting the body into Agni. That's the ritual, yogic ritual. But we don't put the body, we don't offer the yogi's body or monk body in Agni. This is not a ritual. Their body is not burned when they die. Their body is offered to other elements such as under the ground, bury the ground, or to the water somewhere if the sacred river is flowing. So why? Because their body is already purified. Still they use Agni for purification because their tapas, their sadhana, yoga sadhana was so strong when they were in the body. Through this yoga tapas, they already purified the body. So at the end, this tapas already purified. So all body is purified. So we want their body to be buried in the ground, to put in the water. So because these are ground and water stays longer in the planet and they influence other species, other creature. So we put them in the body, in the certain other elements, so their energy can expand more. But normal human being, we burn them because they are not purified here. Their sadhana was very weak. That's why householder we burn, right? The body is burned. So Shodhana Kriya required Agni element. Okay, Agni element in your body is where? Navel center. And that's why you are doing first Anulom, inhale, but because you are holding the breath, allowing your breathing to reside on your navel, creating the pressure. Navel, in according to Ayurveda, is a place of Agni element, fire element. So you are trying to generate this fire through pressure. And below this Agni, below this navel, Nadis channels originated center is there. So you are trying this Agni prana move through the nadis, so purification can happen. This is called NADI SHODHANA. Anyone who are having weak energy, anyone who are having any kind of stomach related issues or mental issue, because in mental depression, anxiety and stress and low motivation, Agni element is affecting much. So we don't do NADI SHODHANA, but they do ANULOM VILOM. Anyone who are having heart condition, because Agni will burn, you need moon, you need calming down. That's why we don't do NADI SHODHANA. But ANULOM VILOM everywhere. Anyone who have a short breath, ANULOM VILOM. Anyone who is weaker, breathing is very heavy, ANULOM VILOM. Depression, anxiety, stress, ANULOM VILOM. Low confidence, start ANULOM VILOM. So these are the difference. It is very important to understand difference before you attempt any kind of kriya. In yoga, there are many kriyas are just explained and you are just doing it. That's why the benefits are very less. I really recommend you to join us live if you are really willing to continue your yoga sadhana and strengthen the right techniques. Link in description. We are doing every month, every day we are having a live classes. I'm teaching there. Evening classes, if you want to join, one of our teacher expert is teaching. Join and strengthen your yoga sadhana. Right practice you need. And if you really want to understand any kind of pranayam technique, you can join recorded course. I already put link in description. These recorded courses will help you a lot because everything is explained in detail. So you get the idea what you are doing. So these are the difference. I make the video short so you get the idea. Share the video with others, and maybe if you will write me comment for certain practices you want to understand, I will make another video in detail. Till that, namaste and see you all.